If you want to refer to your INB, please be my guest. But when we combine like terms, the two steps we have to do, first of all, we have to squeeze in a 1 in front of any variable that does not have a coefficient written. And luckily for us, this variable has a coefficient. This one does, 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 this one does. So we don't have to do any ones. We don't have to take care of that at all. The second step, which is extremely important, is we need to leave change opposite. And we do have some of that to do. So this is already plus, this is already plus. Here's our first minus. We leave change opposite. We leave change opposite. We leave change opposite, and we leave change opposite. All right, I'm going to use different colors to put the like terms together, okay? So I think I'll use blue. For my first one, I have negative 10p squared, and I'm looking for anything that has a p squared next to it. Ah, I've got one right here. Okay, so this is interesting. A negative 10p squared and a positive 10p squared. Remember, our exponents do not change when we're adding or subtracting. We're just thinking of these as like, I mean, you could think of it as a shape, like p squared. Well, this is a p square, right? We got 10 of them here, and we have negative 10 of them there. What happens? They cancel out. They're gone. Now we get to 12CD. So we're going and looking for anything that has a CD or DC. Oh, we've got one here. Negative 12 DC. Remember, the order doesn't matter. So CD, DC are the same. Don't have any more. Well, this is interesting. Think of this as like a rectangle where one side is D, one side is C. Okay, the area would be DC or CD. We have negative 12 of those, and we have positive 12 of those. What happens? They cancel out. Now we keep going. We have 5H. So we have 5 H's, and we keep going. We have negative 3 H's, and we have negative 2 H's. These are all like terms. So if we have 5 of them put together with negative 3 of them, 5 plus negative 3 is 2. And then 2 plus the negative 2, they cancel out. And so the only thing we're left with is this. So that was your answer.